Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. It has a 3.6 liter. It's running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. This vehicle does have a clean title. Let's have alloy wheels and a tow package. Has a lot of stowage. Does have captain's chairs for that second row. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Just have black leather seats. I'll go ahead and show you the VIN. There you go. Okay, as you look down here, you'll see that it has 40,929 miles on this vehicle. We're going to come over here and turn this down so that you can hear me better. You also have your push to talk and your cruise control settings there. And on the opposite side are your infotainment toggles. All right, so you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then there it is. Let's see. There we go. So you can also load a disc as well. All right, you can also load it up into picture view. There's your audio.
Uconnect phone ready.
As we come down here, here's your key and key fob. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn that off so that it will connect to your phone, not mine. Okay, there's your econ as well, your other comfort control settings. As you come down here, you're gonna have additional power supplies down in there and stowage. And then you'll also have 2 cup holders and additional stowage down in there. And then as you come up here, you're going to have controls for your rear hatch and your side doors as well. So that about wraps it up for this Dodge on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.